Have you ever pondered over the 5 vectors of concern in Singapore? These are organisms that transmit diseases and pose significant health risks. Understanding them is crucial to preventing outbreaks and ensuring public health. Today we delve into these 5 vectors, discussing each one and the diseases they transmit. Starting with mosquitoes, the first vector of concern. These tiny creatures are notorious for transmitting various diseases such as dengue fever, Zika virus, chikungunya, and malaria. The transmission occurs through the bites of infected mosquitoes. The control measures for mosquitoes typically involve eradicating breeding sites, applying larvicides, and initiating adulticidal measures to manage mosquito populations. Next up, we have rodents. Rodents such as the Norway or sewer rats, roof rat, and house mouse are vectors of diseases including plague, leptospirosis, and murine typhus. These pests can contaminate food sources, inflict damage to property, and transmit diseases through their bites. Effective rodent control hinges on surveillance, identifying signs of infestation, and implementing control measures to curb the growth of rodent populations. The third vector of concern is flies. These insects are vectors for diseases like cholera, dysentery, and typhoid fever. Flies can spread pathogens by contaminating food and surfaces with their feces and saliva. To control flies, proper waste management, sanitation practices, and the use of insecticides are necessary. Cockroaches, the fourth vector of concern, are carriers of diseases such as salmonellosis, typhoid fever, and dysentery. They can carry pathogens on their bodies and contaminate food and utensils. Cockroach control is achieved by maintaining cleanliness, sealing entry points, and using insecticidal baits to eliminate infestations. Finally, we have rat fleas. These fleas primarily infest rodents like rats and can transmit diseases to humans through their bites, including the bubonic plague. Controlling rat fleas involves effective rodent control measures to reduce the rodent population and, consequently, the flea population. In summary, mosquitoes, rodents, flies, cockroaches, and rat fleas are the 5 vectors of concern in Singapore. Each poses significant health risks by transmitting diseases. Effective vector control strategies are vital to prevent disease transmission and protect public health. Understanding these vectors and the diseases they transmit is a key step in this process.